Okay guys, this is the ankle development circuit. This is a really good circuit to do if you've experienced ankle difficulties in the past. Isn't as much for your calf muscles as it is for actually maintaining the integrity of the ankle joint. The first exercise is a Tibialis Raise. So this is one where you normally need a wall to be against. You're going to get down, legs straight, curl up, hold, down. You're going to aim to get this one for 20 reps, getting a full squeeze at the top. It's much easier to have your butt against the wall. From there, you're going to go into the knee over toe calf raise. So for this one, bending over, holding on to support, let your knees go over the toes as far as you can until you feel your heels are just coming off the ground. So this is going to put a lot of load for your Achilles tendon. From here, push up, push your ankles all the way forward, squeeze, go back down, try and keep those knees over the toes. Once you get comfortable doing this one, let's go to one leg, push up through, try and get that really high foot back. As you can see, the knee's staying quite far over the toe the whole time, so we're going to build up some structural integrity in the knee joint and mobilize the ankle. And then finally, after that, we've got ankle pronation, supination, and standing. So a lot of the time, once you've hurt our ankle, we don't actually take it into those positions anymore. So from here, we're just going to roll to the side, knee comes in, ankle is rolling to what would be considered the sprain position. What we're trying to do is just load it up gently, shift the weight the other way, we'll load it up again. We're going to do this 10 times in each direction, just to make sure we strengthen the lateral and medial ligaments of the ankle. Do this for 2 to 3 circuits, 1 to 2 times a week. Thanks guys.